This is called I Miss Music. It's for all the rappers out there. What is this I hear on my radio so clear? Or have my ancient ears betrayed me? It's rhythm and it's synth, and it only makes me wince. Makes me wonder, should I rise up and flee? I miss music. What happened to melody with harmony so sweet? Now all I hear is rhythm and beats. I miss music the way it used to be, with classic melodies. Back in those days, music was a treat. Oh, I wish I could hear Tony Bennett's voice so clear, singing a song about his heart left by the bay. All I hear now are beats and techno-sounding feats, like a bucket of trash left out on trash day. I miss music the way it used to sound, with melodies and harmonies abounding. I miss music the way it nurtured the soul. What is this corner we are rounding? Oh, I wish I could hear Frank Sinatra's voice so clear, singing "Fly Me to the Moon" like no one can. All I hear now are beats and techno-sounding feats. I wish we could have found a better plan. Now major chords can make you happy, minor chords can make you sad, but bad or boring melodies don't make music. I miss music. Makes me question my existence with all this musical resistance, and it makes listening to the radio intolerable. I miss music. Now I question, what's that pitch? And you think autotune can fix it? And is the pandemic still transmissible? Oh, I wish I could hear Johnny Mathis' voice so clear, singing "Misty and Chances Are" just one more time. Oh, I'm sick of all the beats from the techno-loving geeks. I'm waiting for someone to bring back the music.